Welcome to the month of November here at Lichtsinn RV, where we literally are only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events occurring during the month of November, but be sure to join us on Wednesday, November 14th at 2 o'clock Central for our live interactive presentation where we're going to cover the availability that we have now for the first time in over a year of the 4x4 based Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, the Winnebago Revel. Of course, we'll take all of your questions live, and we're going to fundamentally work from the ground up on the Winnebago Revel, covering the history of why it was built, how it makes sense in respect to comparing that to something that you could actually build on your own. We'll cover why that makes sense. We'll cover financing aspects. We'll cover all of the quality components atop the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter in the all-new Winnebago Revel that we now have in stock for availability on Wednesday, October 14th at 2 o'clock Central.
Hi, I'm Stacy Anderson, a sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. I'm here to visit with you about two great webcasts that we offered in September and October. In September, we visited about your Wi-Fi and cellular boost and Satellite 101. Check out the webcast for information on the right product and to have us install it here for you. In October, we talked about extending your tire life, covered the benefit of multi-seal, nitro-dinning your tires, and adding the metal valve stems to help monitor your tire pressure. Please visit our video library and other webcasts for your great RV experience.
Hi, I'm Hannah, one of the sales managers here at Lichtsinn RV. I encourage you to reach out to us regarding our current Travato inventory. Winnebago did release a $2,800 price increase, and we have a few units that are available now and in stock that were priced prior to the price increase. And so I encourage you to reach out to one of our sales consultants if you've got questions on that, or of course any of the products in Winnebago's lineup. We can be contacted through our website or of course by calling in and asking for one of the team members in our sales department.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. We're coming off the month of October, and month of October was Fire Prevention Safety Month. And a lot of things can be taken for granted as far as safety in your RV, but a couple things we wanted to point out was the first thing is the fire extinguisher, which is always located by your entry door. There is a recall from Kidde on the fire extinguishers, and this is good for the extinguisher that's in your RV, maybe a boat or something of that nature. Basically what you need to do is look at the serial number on the fire extinguisher, the model number, and then you also have a date code on there as well. Simply submit that to the Kidde website, and with that information along with the VIN of your RV, and they will notate whether your fire extinguisher falls underneath that 2017 recall. The other things that are in your RV that are of importance obviously would be the smoke detector, typically located up in your living area, galley area, and also your carbon monoxide detector back in your bedroom. Now the important thing of that is to make sure you change your batteries just like you would in your home. So again, fire extinguisher, recall, changing your batteries, and hopefully you'll be safe on the road.
And that's it for the month of November at Lichtsinn RV. We wish you and your families a very happy Thanksgiving.